Yo, good morning guys. Just now I woke up and the time is around 4:15 right now, and I didn't pack my bags. Today we have to travel like around 500 kilometers, 2 to 3 places, so we have to leave early, so I will just go and pack my bags. As you can see, I wore this sweater and I'm ready to go and see my bag. I always wear this sweater because ठंड लगती है मुझे. तो चलो guys, I'm leaving now. And हमारा अपार्टमेंट का लाइट अब तक ऑन नहीं हुआ, तो हम ऑन किए. So it's now 4:25 maybe. Ready to go. Again, one more light. My mom is there. Tire condition is right. Yeah, tire bhi achhe. Guys, everything is ready, so we'll meet in our friend's place. I'm at my friend's place right now. I'm waiting for them to come. So once they come, let's leave. And now the time is 5:10. It took like 40 minutes from my house to here. Just now my friend called me and he's there. You can see. So guys, we are leaving right now and we are not gonna stop anywhere. So guys, here we stop near petrol pump. As you can see, जल्दी हो जाएगा, हम जाएंगे. Guys, we just stopped here for tea. From here it's like 100 kilometers. We'll leave now. It will take around 1.5 hours, maybe 2 hours. So you can see the sunrise. This place is very nice, so I will go and click some photos and then leave to Shivanasamudra. Guys, finally we have reached Shivanasamudra. Going for boating.
That's good.
it was a bridge, as you can see. It's a huge bridge. So guys, from here we are going to another place, so let's go. We don't have that much time, so we'll go soon. Guys, we are in Barachukki right now.